ऑफिस गोइंग पीपल, उन सबका रिस्पेक्ट होना चाहिए इक्वली. हम सब बैलेंस करते हैं हर चीज को, तो
everybody and taking care of actually if you go to see, we are taking care of somebody else's parents, they become our parents gradually, but you are taking care of your husband's parents, so you know if you are not there, he will have to keep staff, right?
Yes, कोई ना कोई तो चाहिए,
and that time he'll have to pay a big amount also. But you are doing it out of love, out of respect, keeping them at your parents' position, and then you're going to do it for them.
I remember, I think there was the argument in parliament where this matter was discussed, जहाँ पे ये बोला जा रहा था एक homemaker, she doesn't expect, because out of the love she doesn't expect any kind of a money. But if you see, अगर हम एक daily wages का भी अगर
highest paid,
हाँ, तो अगर देखा जाए तो डेली वेजेस जो वर्कर है, आई थिंक 6,000 इज व्हाट हैज बीन फिक्स्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट, ठीक है, इन INR करेंसी में. सो दे वांट कि इन सबको पेड होना चाहिए, वेयर एज होम मेकर्स आर नेवर पेड, ठीक है. दे डू ऑल द वर्क, क्लीनिंग से लेके कुकिंग से लेके जो भी सर्विंग से लेके एवरीथिंग दे डू इट, एंड दे डोंट चार्ज फॉर इट. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज दे लव, ठीक है, फैमिली को प्यार करते हैं. बट फैमिली को रिटर्न बैक कैसे करना होगा उस चीज को? They should not forget कि these people are doing everything out of love, selflessly. पूरा लाइफ उन्होंने आपको दिया है, ठीक है. They are not charging, but अगर उसको कैलकुलेट करने गए तो आपका पूरा कबाट खाली हो जाएगा, right? So
because family becomes their life. You know, it's their life.
They live for you. So we should never underestimate or never taunt any homemaker कि तुम क्या करती हो घर पे, काउच पे पड़ी रहती हो. Because you don't know their part of life. They have sacrificed a lot of their dreams just to get you keep going, working every day, setting your goals, having your dreams fulfilled. So their dream is to make you successful. So please respect them and treat them well. That's what my request, humble request. क्योंकि मैंने भी अपनी मम्मी होममेकर थी, उनको देखा है, उन्होंने अपने हर खुशियों को सेक्रीफाइस किया है, ठीक है, और उन्होंने हमें बहुत अच्छे से रेज्ड किया है. And that's how I'm here to give this kind of speech in front of you. So this is a very good point. I just wanted to hijack your podcast. So just praise those homemakers. Okay, you guys are doing wonderful job and keep doing it. And we all are blessed to have you at home, and that's how we can work in office. It's like that.
Meenakshi says that she's hijacking. I want everybody to hijack on this topic. You know, we all women should support each other and appreciate.
Not only women, even men out there, they would be listening to it, and they would understand the essence of this topic. And they should do more respect to the female or male. Like these days, even male house husbands are there. So I would appreciate each and every one's effort, that they all are doing a balanced job and they are helping each other so that family can grow together.